Today we will learn the property of the limit 1 raised to infinity. So the property is, if limit of f of x raised to g of x as x tends to a is equal to 1 raised to infinity, then it is equal to e raised to limit of g of x in bracket f of x minus 1 as x tends to a. So meaning of the property is, if you put x is equal to a in given limit, then the result is 1 raised to infinity is the condition. So, for the better understanding, we will take one example. Let the example is limit of sec x raised to cot x as x tends to 0. If you solve this problem by the traditional method, this will consume your many time. So either traditional method, we should use this method. So first we check the condition. If you put x is equal to 0 in given limit, you will find that result is sec of 0 raised to cot of 0, which is equal to 1 raised to infinity. So condition fulfills. Now we use the property. So limit of sec x raised to cot x as x tends to 0 equals, here f of x is equal to sec of x and g of x is equal to cot x. So by comparison, we will put the values equals to limit of g of x is cot x, f of x is sec x, as x tends to 0, which is equal to limit of into 1 by cos x minus cot x, which is equal to e raised to limit of 1 by sin x minus cos x upon sin x is equal to e raised to limit of 1 minus cos x upon sin x as x tends to 0. Now by L'Hospital rule is equal to e raised to limit of sin x upon cos x as x tends to 0 is equal to e raised to limit of x tends to 0 tan x. This simplification is by the regular method is equal to the limit of x tends to 0 as tan x is equal to e raised to tan 0. Value of x is put in the given limit. It's equal to e raised to 0, and any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Mathmania.